So that is the more organic ways. I'm going to run through some of the types of ads that you can do on Facebook and Instagram as well. So before you actually run an ad, you do need to think about it strategically. You need to look at your organic posts and see what type of posts got most reach, and see if they can translate into a paid method. Because if you know that it works from an organic perspective, it's also, should work once you pay for it. Then you need to think about your objective. So do you want people to visit your website? Do you want people to buy from you? Do you just want more awareness? Then obviously think about your target audience. So who are you actually going to target these ads at? Is it 18 to 24-year-olds? Is it people that are interested in bicycles and holidays and whatever it is? Think about your target audience, because Facebook and Instagram advertising is extremely targeted, because they track everything that you're doing on social media, which is great for marketers. And the only way to run Facebook and Instagram ads is through Facebook Ads Manager. So there's no separate platform for Instagram ads, just to make everyone aware of that too. It has to be done through this Ads Manager, and that's by, again, setting that up if you haven't done it, business.facebook.com and so on. So the next thing there is in setting a budget, and that's a question I get asked quite frequently. How much do I need to spend? Is £50 enough? Is £100 enough? And the answer is, it really depends. One thing that's really good about Facebook Ads Manager is that you can put in your budget, and it'll tell you based on the people that you selected in your target audience, so age and where they live and what they're interested in, how many people you're likely to reach with your £50, and how many people are likely to click on your ad for £50. So if you need 1,000 people to your website, work back and work out how much you need to spend. And that's the best way, I would say, to set a budget. And as well as the normal things like how much you can actually afford to spend. Quality content goes without saying, and obviously testing and measuring that. And within Ads Manager, you can measure things like clicks and how much it cost per click and how much it cost for that sale. So, cost per acquisition, CPA. You'll also see the amount of people that you reached. You'll also see the amount of times your ad was shown. So, and that's all within Facebook Ads Manager. Again, connect your pixel and make your ads personal to the people that you're targeting. Use high-res imagery and videos. Minimize the amount of text on your images. Facebook has a 20% rule. So if you have text that covers more than 20% of the image, Facebook will actually decrease the amount of people that see your ad, because they want the ads to be visual. They don't want people almost cheating and putting marketing messages over ads. They just want nice ad imagery, which is why they have that 20% rule. Again, use video if you can, and experiment with ad types. So there are different ad types depending on your objective. So you can see here the buy-in process that Facebook has. So this is what you'll see whenever you start to set an ad up within Ads Manager. So you can do awareness ads, consideration ads, and conversion ads. So obviously awareness ads are making people aware of your product. Consideration ads, like getting people to your website or getting people to watch a video or getting people to message you, or where they're maybe considering buying. And then you can also do conversion ads, which are more product focused, more sales focused type ads. So some of the ads here that you can run are just your generic photo ads, and they allow you to tell a story. And this is what you want to run whenever you want to drive maybe people to your website, or when you want to raise awareness of your products, or you want to show people how your product looks. And I would try and maintain some sort of visual consistency, but they're great for showcasing, lifestyle and real life setting images, a bit like the one here where you can see, an ad for makeup and so on in a setting. You can run video ads as well. So, they obviously help educate your audience about product features, or, product reviews, or the way you might feel after using this particular product. And then you can link them to your e-commerce website as well. And what I would say is spend a bit of time on the creative. You don't want to put up a Mickey Mouse type ad. It needs to sort of, the video needs to be of reasonable quality, especially if you're paying to push it out in front of people. Other ads that you can run are stories ads. So they sort of complement your news feed content or your Instagram feed content. There's 500 million daily users, and one thing about that is that they're fully immersive. They're full screen experiences that can be authentic because they're maybe real life photos or they're real life videos of you talking about your product, and they're a bit more inclusive where it's that sort of richer experience. Facebook and Instagram say stories inspire action because they're fast, authentic, and helpful, and they do generate interest, and you can tag products in your stories, so they're a really good, useful tool. You can also run carousel ads. You can do this on Facebook and Instagram. This is how they look on Facebook. On Instagram, it's just one photo that you can swipe right, and you can go through the photos on Instagram, and they add, I suppose, a layer of depth where people can swipe and view additional photos or products of a single ad, and it's great if you want to show off multiple products in a range, or if you want to highlight the features of one single product, from different angles or so on. And if you want people to actively engage with your ad and scroll across and look at them, they can be very, very good. They're also helpful for explaining a process, and they're very, very useful because you can also tag individual products within your carousel. So if it's a range, you can send them different links to that particular product page. You can also run these collection ads, and these are, again, a bit more visual type ads, almost close to what the new Facebook shop and Instagram shops experience is going to look like. They help your audience discover more products. So IKEA are actually brilliant at running these collection ads where they'll put in a photo of a room setting, and then you can actually scroll down through this sort of full screen immersive experience and look at the table, look at the sofa, look at the picture on the wall, look at the plant, look at the coffee table, look at the lamp, and so on. And you can go to that. Each individual product then is linked to their IKEA website. So they're very, very useful ads if you have multiple products and you want to convey that sort of story setting or whatever it is. You can also, not only do you have images, but you can also put up videos. So you can see there in the third screenshot over, you can see a video as to how it might look on certain people and so on. So these are really sort of inspiring and immersive type ads. You can also run lead ads, and lead ads are great from a business to business perspective, where basically you see an ad on your newsfeed, and it's usually offering some sort of content or some sort of subscription to get a discount or so on, and they're a great way to build email marketing lists. So what happens is people hit the subscribe button, as you can see there. Their information is pre-populated from their email address or their phone number. You click the submit button, and then they get a coupon code, or they get the download as to how, 7 steps to create the perfect social media ad or whatever the content is. And then you get their details, so you get their email to maybe use for email marketing, or they get a discount to buy on your e-commerce store. And I think we have maybe the last one then, and this is one of the key ones for online shopping and for social commerce, is these dynamic ads. And they look similar to Facebook ads and Instagram ads, but what they are, they're dynamically created. So instead of you creating these individual ads, what happens is Facebook analyze users' behavior. So if somebody is actively searching for shoes, you can create this dynamic ad, add a template, and Facebook will pre-populate the ad based on their behavior. So you can imagine it's almost automatic shopping and done by an algorithm or a robot based on your behavior. So dynamic ads tend to work really well and have very, very high conversion rates. And you need to have your Facebook pixel and obviously set up so it tracks user behavior not only on your website but also on Facebook itself. So really, really good, highly targeted ad there.